Hi guys, we are from team Coding Crusaders and let's do a project which is making a and building a movie website. So let's start. So when you open VS Code, let's take a new file with movies.html and create a movies.html file. And let's also create some another CSS file also. That's it. Create. And we have images also there as we have taken the images from web. We can see here these all are the images that we need to apply to our website. So let's start. As you just type HTML, document appears and just change the title. We need to give for movies, right? So okay, then you start. You also link the CSS with movies.css. Okay, so now in the body, let's see from the live server. I want to give you one trick, which is changing this global icon, which you can see there, and to replace with this icon, which is play button. As you can see this, I want to replace with that. So for that again, link and we'll give the images path and we'll give the icon as you can see. I think it's something else. And in the style sheet, we just rename the icon. That's it. Now we can see the output. So now, now just what we need to do is create a division and just remember that whatever is set. So before doing something, we need to link one file which is Google font file. As you can see, this is Google font file. And then let's start with the body. As you can see from the body, just need to create one division. So we have given one container name and we have given this header, which is nothing. We don't need that header to be in the part of it. It is in the build. And as you can see, division navbar, button, class, new button and span 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, the logo, image, all of that, and navbar with nav items with the category live and navbar link coming soon and home category, all of that stuff. So after that, you just need to do another work. Let's see the output once. What happens? You can see that. Right, so let's do it. So here is another thing which is navbar actions where the header file is closed and with the searcher.html. After that, you just need to do another work which is called banner section where you can see the banner process, all of the banner. When you search anything will be going to anything like that. Why we are going to a little bit hard because I don't know this terms. It is going like that. What you do. So, okay, I think I'll limit it like this as you can see. Okay, after that we have another part to do movie section. You can see the movie section. Then again we have another even that is fine. Then we have another. Then we have another. For each and every movie we have created that. And just save it. So you can see the document for each and every image, every movie that is given. So in the later section, we'll just change it in the CSS. Okay. For that, we have another divisions which we need to create for the movie section and all of that stuff. Category. So after category, you need another one for movies section and where you can give coming soon section and just change the priority. Okay. And then for that we have the continuation of live cards, and after that you need to continue with another live cards, and then just enter into a photo section because that is important. Let's see in the live as you can see the output. It's detailing all images and categories that we have placed, which are not aligned properly, as you can see that. So let's do some more work. After doing that, it just photo section is going on first. So just need to do it as properly as you can and complete with the script, which is very important. You need to get this from Google. Okay, it is also important to do it to build this website. Let's see in the output and how it's looking. So actually, this is the basic pattern which we are following. So there is a problem. You can see the alignments. Let's start doing it in the CSS. Okay, let's start with the CSS. Before doing that, uh, let's create another name with reset dot CSS. Okay, just do that. So it's here. So then let's doing a job. Set import that one bar again. We have to create that. So shopping again, we have to get something. Container, Mexican something. Mexican container. We're starting the stuff. Then again, you have to go with heading, section heading, all of that stuff. We have to go for different kinds of things. Okay. Container, navbar, all of that. And then you go to navbar actions and just change the property of it. Navbar things. Navbar from search, as you can see now, from search. Navbar button. Okay. Button loading effect. And you can see sign loading effect. So for each thing, there is a hovering effect. There's a card now. We just need to go to card. And then we get into image. And same thing goes with that. Another contribution is created, right? Separate or separation of that. We need to create that video for it so that when you watch any video, will be that person. I think You can see now this down part, which is footer section, is not done, but this part is done with the effects which we have given here in the CSS. So let's do the footer part also. So the footer part is also done. So as you can see, the part is done. So let's see the output line. Okay. So this is our output. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you.